zonnebroek hebben. Mag ik mijn zonnebroek hebben? Ja, ik heb geen doekje hier. Hij is hier droog voor hem nog. Ik heb dit droog wel. Ja. Nou, je wordt dat ook gewoon een beetje verdomme.
De mensen die hier lopen straks, dat is een beetje vijf. Dat is heel goed, dat is heel goed. Die willen daar vol. Lukt nou? Die hebben wij al veel. Die kun je gisteren bij je van onder de grond, hè? Ga straks even voor jou regelen. Ga maar even naar Maarten of naar een andere en we vragen het wel even. Ik vraag wel even of jij een beetje mag. Ja, van ja,
En die eten? Nee. Wat eten? Ik kom dus ook nog door daarin. Mag dat? Maakt eruit wel lekker?
nee, maar dat is geen van denk ik. Dit is wel van de grote. Dit is van de grote boven. Ja, wij doen gewoon. Ja, daar is het. Op de prijs te drukken, trouwens, ik kwam met 3 maanden. Maar wat is die boven tikken? Dat loopt
Wie heeft het niet erop?
kleursteen. Kijk je de foto maar, als je maar de foto van mij gaat.
So this driver just invited me to his truck. Wow. Hello.
Hello. I hope we can go on.
Thank you.
Yeah. I hope we may. It's still 4 o'clock. Yeah, I
Yep.
think we can do it.
I hope so.
Yeah.
Wow. I really love this one. Whoa. So from which year is this one?
1980.
1980.
Yeah. 1980. Totally restored.
By you or?
Yeah, my son. My son with a red truck.
Yeah.
But he was standing next
Yeah,
to us. Yeah.
So-
He did the most work. He made the cabin all new.
Wow.
He used 5 cabins to make this one.
5 cabins for
Yeah.
making one.
Yeah, for
Wha-
making one ready.
Oh, wow. So how long have you been owning?
Oh, we have it for 20 years.
20.
Yeah, but we live in Holland, but it's coming from Sweden.
Yep.
It's a Sweden truck.
Huh? So it was sold in Sweden
Yeah,
first.
yeah. And it was his whole life in Sweden. And in
Aha.
2000 it was sold to Holland for export.
Aha.
And then we bought it for restoration.
Wow. Lucky you.
Yeah. Where do we come from?
Sweden.
Sweden,
Yeah.
okay.
So yeah, and I have this
Yeah.
tattoo.
Yeah, oh, Scania.
Yeah.
I saw you making so much pictures.
Yeah, I have been
Yeah.
since 8 in the morning.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I saw it.
Yeah. So it's many hours.
Yeah.
So yeah,
You
I
stay tomorrow also?
yes,
Okay.
for a short while because I have 600 kilometers home.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, so it's
You sleep in the Stugby?
yeah, Stupid,
Yeah,
yeah. 3-star or what?
Yeah.
I think it's called 3-star.
Okay.
Oh, the Netherlands shoes! I love them. My mom had many of those.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Yeah, they
she
were-
collected those wooden shoes.
Yeah, wooden shoes.
Yeah.
But you speak good English.
Oh, thank you.
Sweden, yeah.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
well, in
Thank
Holland
you.
we speak
Yeah,
good.
you speak
Yeah.
really good.
I can stand on a little bit Swedish also.
Du kan förstå mig.
Ja, inte problem. Ingen problem. Ja.
Wow.
Yeah.
Lucky you.
Yeah.
I'm so jealous. I want one of those.
Yeah.
Because I grew up, I'm born in the 70s.
Yeah.
So I grew up with those trucks.
Yeah, yeah.
So this is my
Yeah,
favorite.
yeah, me also. I was from 71.
Me too.
And and my father worked at Scania, and he was always driving trucks like this, and that's so nice. And so,
Wow.
and that's why. But you don't have truck driver?
I am a truck driver.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. So I drive trucks, but that is more than crap.
Yeah, that's not like this.
No. This is pure love.
Yeah,
Christmas came early.
yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, this is so nice event from Hassa.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's very, very good.
Wow.
Sound of the engineers.
Yeah. Perfect. Wow. Take a look at this guy. I can't believe the driver was very nice and kind. Du är väldigt snäll.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Du är väldigt...
And Sweden, it's same.
Okay.
Here, they close the gates now.
Oh, they closed the gates. Okay.
Yeah. Oh, that's no problem. But
Yeah.
yeah, Sweden people are so kind.
Yeah,
So
you are kind.
yeah, but
You are
Sweden
very
also,
kind.
yeah.
No, I don't think so.
Yeah, 100%. We have always when we are in Sweden, such a nice time.
Is it?
Yeah, unbelievable. Really.
Okay, okay. That is nice to hear.
Yeah, it's really good. We always enjoy to come to Sweden.
Oh my
Because we
God.
have the flags
Yeah,
in it.
yeah, look at that. Wow. So you are also born in 71?
Yeah, 71.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, yeah.
October.
Yeah, in November.
Ah,
Yeah,
November.
yeah.
Close.
Yeah, okay.
Very, very close to...
Yeah, to each other.
Yeah. We might be brothers.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh my God, yeah. It's
Yeah.
the
Oh,
end of the tour. Thank you.
I saw you the whole day standing, and every time it was busy and there were people talking.
Yeah.
I thought I have to take you for a ride.
Thank you so
Yeah.
much. What's your name?
Boy.
Boy.
Do you have Facebook?
Yep.
Oh, I have a card. I can give you a card.
Please.
We can make
Yeah.
friends on
Yeah.
Facebook.
Please.
Then you can see the restoration.
Oh, yeah.
That's the truck from my son,
Which one?
with the door open, with a cabin on the back.
Oh, that one.
Yeah, that's my son, and he mostly restored this truck.
That's his son over there, and he's restoring this truck we
Yeah.
are driving in right now. Wow.
That's very, very nice.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
ASG
Yeah,
mug.
ASG, yeah, that is ASG, that is
Yeah, classic.
still in Holland.
Is it?
If we have the lights, yeah,
Yeah.
in Holland, all the people know ASG. And,
Okay. Wow, I'm so happy. Thank you for having me here.
Yeah,
Oh
no
my!
problem.
Oh, you have the sleeping bed as well.
Yeah.
Sleep cab.
You want the picture when you are in the steering wheel?
Yeah.
I said, yeah,
Can
no
I?
problem. Yeah, why not? Yeah.
Okay, hang on, guys. Thanks for watching.